I can only say this again. The people, ACEs, they're great. I was having difficulties with my present medical treatment. So eventually I wound up with the bypass. And when I was done in the hospital, I didn't know where I was going. When they mentioned Excel, I knew it was a great place.
You were having some difficulty with breathing and you had limitations with what you were able to do. So some of the exercises that we're going to be doing now, that you're going to be feeling more confident on doing it now, and you'll be able to do it with a better quality.
I'm happy.
So, bring your feet back a little bit more. Good. Bring this in the front, hands in the front, over your head.
Beginning when I came here,
Yes.
a little apprehensive, but I went forward with the physical therapy, and the little shortness of breath that I have never had it since. The therapists have made me independent. And I gotta say, I'm done and I'm better because of a place like this, Excel.